Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today I'm very pleased to announce an upcoming 14-day meditation challenge. Starting next week, we'll be embarking on a 2-week journey of mindfulness, self-discovery, and inner peace. Each day, we'll explore a different meditation technique to deepen our mindfulness practice. From mindful breathing to gratitude meditation, we'll dive into a variety of approaches that cater to different aspects of our consciousness. Through this challenge, we'll try to foster a sense of presence, self-awareness, and compassion in our lives. Remember, meditation is a very personal practice and there's no right or wrong way to do it. It is about finding what resonates with you and allowing yourself to be fully present in the moment. So if you're a beginner or have an established practice, this challenge is for you. Over the course of the 14 days, I'll be guiding you through 5 to 10 minutes meditation practice daily. You can do this any time of the day when you can spare 10 minutes to be with yourself. So I'll see you next week. Let's find inner peace, one breath at a time.